Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Jetta. The Jetta is a premium car that is family-friendly with a great price, agile and confident handling. Volkswagen Jetta. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, aluminum wheels, brake assist, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, four-wheel disc brakes, FWD, variable speed, intermittent wipers. Your new ride is just a phone call away.